Welcome, health conscious viewer. Are you ready to discover a secret to a more healthier and vibrant life? Well, get ready because I'm about to reveal something truly fascinating. Did you know that chronic inflammation, that sneaky bad guy behind many health issues, can be controlled by something as simple as meditation? Yes, you heard it right. Today, I'm going to share with you an ancient knowledge confirmed with modern science that will change the way you think about managing inflammation forever. So grab a seat, relax, and get ready to learn how meditation can help you reclaim your vitality. Get excited because it's a game changer. And say goodbye to chronic inflammation. Meditation has been around for many centuries, close to millennia. And we learned in the past 2 decades about its advantage here in the Western civilization. It is not just a trend, it is backed by scientific studies. Regular meditation has been shown to help in reducing anxiety, depression, and the perceived stress. We need to understand how our bodies react to stress. You see, stress causes inflammation in the body, and this is where meditation comes to save the day. When we're stressed, our bodies release a hormone called cortisol. I'm sure you know about that. And cortisol has mainly 2 main functions. It increases your metabolism and your immune function. What for? To get your body ready for a fight or flight response. So during the process of inflammation, unfortunately, we're going to lose many of our natural cells through inflammation. So in short bursts, stress is useful. The problem comes with the inflammation becomes chronic, leading to chronic inflammation, and this leads to chronic death of your normal cells. And we need each of our normal cells to power our organs so we can feel good. Can you see the connection? That's why if the chronic inflammation goes unchecked, we're going to develop chronic diseases. And in fact, did you know that the top leading causes of death worldwide, like heart disease, cancer, accidents, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, stroke, Alzheimer's, diabetes, influenza, and pneumonia, have in common chronic inflammation? And you may ask, why accidents? Remember that inflammation can cause you tiredness, and that affects your overall being, including affecting your mind and making you lose focus and therefore cause accidents. So stress is all around in our modern world. It seems that everybody is stressed in these days, right? Well, there are mainly 3 kinds of stress: the mental, the emotional, and the physical. The mental, the most frequent cause of mental stress is deadlines. Emotional, it happens when you don't get what you want. Therefore, you either get angry, sad, or anxious. And physical, you can have physical stress either imposed or voluntary. The imposed are people that work mainly on the field, like farmers and miners, who are subject to a schedule. So they're forced to work around schedule. It's a job. And the voluntary physical stress happen on fitness enthusiasts, where they push their body to get fit. And sometimes unknowingly, they're causing some kind of a physical stress to their body when they overdo it. Whether you're dealing with something annoying as like a headache, an acne, stomach pain, irritable bowel, hemorrhoids, or even something more serious like heart disease or declining cognitive issues like Alzheimer's, or declining loss of vision like as in macular degeneration, the common thread on all of these health issues are chronic inflammation. Inflammation is the common cause behind so many chronic health issues. But fear not, the new buzzword in wellness is to fight against chronic inflammation. Ancient cultures like the Chinese or many other countries knew about managing chronic inflammation long before modern science caught up. And because today the topic is about meditation and inflammation, I'm going to refer you to watch this video so you know what are the approach on this ancient culture. So fast forward to today, the modern science is proven what the ancient cultures already knew. People who practice long-term mindfulness meditation or relaxation techniques regularly can bring down inflammation markers in their bodies. And not only these biomarkers are down, but also your sugar, your high blood pressure, your cholesterol, everything also comes down. Remember, the cycle goes as follows: stress leading to inflammation, and inflammation leads into chronic disease. When you're already experiencing health issues and chronic symptoms, it indicates that your body is already compromised and susceptible. So any stress will only intensify the inflammation and worsen the chronic disease. This creates a downward spiral that eventually leads to disability. However, there's no need to fear because meditation has the power to interrupt this cycle. By incorporating meditation into your life, you can break free from this harmful pattern and experience its transformative effects. Meditation holds tremendous power in restoring balance and well-being. In the next video, I'm going to share incredible cases to inspire you to ease inflammation with the power of meditation. Stay tuned and be sure to subscribe to my channel to be alerted when this video is released. So if you want to find out more about how you can manage your inflammation naturally, watch this video here. And thank you for watching.